CS-Track is a 3-year research and innovation project. It was launched in December 2019, financed by the European Union in the framework of its Horizon 2020 program, which is now Horizon Europe, you may have heard about, in the Science with and for Society segment. Our purpose, carrying out an in-depth investigation into citizen science and the activities or projects that take place in its context. We seek to increase our knowledge using web-based analytics in the project, of course, of web-based analytics, questionnaires, and interviews. Analytics and analysis will target both own aspects of the CS activities in our projects, organizational, operational characteristics, scientific outcomes, individual and group learning, other success or failure indicators, etc., and also societal aspects, the impact of those activities on societies such as gender, age, geographical and socioeconomic dimensions, science role in society, changing attitudes to science, women in science, etc. This will enable us to understand complex processes, disseminate good practices, and formulate knowledge-based policy recommendations intended to optimize citizen science to make it a major positive factor for the society and the economy. The project involves 9 partners from 6 European countries and Israel. The research teams include social scientists, data analysts, and communication specialists. The project is concluding its first half, and most preparation work has been already completed, which means conceptualization and characterization of citizen science activities, database has been established, analytics tools are operational, large survey was conducted, several analysis undertakings started or about to start. An e-magazine is being periodically distributed and it's already in circulation, and active dissemination activities are being carried out.